Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to make this Lego giraffe. I made this Lego giraffe out of Lego Duplos. I'm going to take apart the pieces of my giraffe. I took apart the pieces of my giraffe and these are the pieces you need. Let's get started. I'm going to start with the head. I'm done with the head. Now I'm going to build the neck. We're done with the neck. Now I'm going to make the body. We're done with the body. Now I'm going to make the legs. We are done with one leg. Now I'm finished with both legs. This is how you make your giraffe. I hope you make this at home and enjoy. I'm eating some yummy leaves.